To make this fun pencil decoration, you'll need a pencil, an old magazine, or music paper, or wrapping paper, whatever you want to use. And then you're going to make a strip. It needs to be a rectangle. It's up to you exactly how big you want it to be. This happens to measure 27.5 centimeters by 13.5, but really it doesn't need to be exact. So you're going to go ahead and fold this in half, and you're going to make sure that that you have the part that you want to show more in the middle when you fold this. So then you're going to go ahead and fold this like so. And then you're going to draw a straight line approximately 1 centimeter down. And this is the point you're going to cut until. Little shortcut, instead of going ahead and snipping, you can go ahead and fold this into quarters. So that way you don't have to do quite as much snipping. The important thing is that your folded edge is down, and then this is your open edge. Otherwise, it won't give you the effect you want. And then you're going to go ahead and cut to that line. Again, it doesn't need to be exactly to the line, but just about there. Then go ahead and unfold it, and then make sure you cut it where it was folded. And then make sure you get your ends. Then you're going to unfold this and flip it around. And then you can take some double-edged tape or glue, whatever you want. And then you're going to fold this in half. So now the colorful part that you wanted will be on top. So like so. And then you're going to wrap this around the top of your pencil. So I usually do it right in the middle. So I go ahead and I add some glue. And then you're going to roll this as tightly as you can around. I like to add glue every once in a while just to make sure it stays. This is such a fun little decoration for a pencil. And really quite easy to do. How fun would this be for like a holiday party, for like a class or a little stocking stuffer? And then just glue that in place. Hold that for a second. Make sure that that holds in place as well. And then there you have it. This really fun little pencil. I just love that. Really fun to write with. That looks so pretty on a desk.